elderberry wine, is it?
Oh, no, it's the pineapple wine.
Oh, the pineapple wine. We must save the elderberry wine for our guests.
Oh, yes, like Mr. Hoskins.
Oh, Mr. Hoskins, bless his heart.
Bless his heart.
He was such a sweet man.
Oh, yes.
And who knew that Mortimer, our theater critic nephew, would be so dramatic to find his body in the window seat? And Jonathan?
Oh, John.
Oh, Jonathan, with a new face.
Oh, yes, with Dr. Einstein.
Yes, who gave him a new face. Oh, Abby, I was so terrified.
Me too.
But on a happier note, Oshkosh North is putting on a play called Arsenic and Old Lace about our lives. So, do you know how students can audition for the play?
Oh, yes, they just go up to Miss Hensen's room 233, and grab a packet, and the auditions are on Monday, February 25th, and Tuesday, February 26th.
Oh, from 3 to 5:30 p.m. in the LRB.
Oh.
Oh,